Hello students, welcome back to Venkat Golla Tutorials. Let's now talk about structure of placenta. Placenta is mechanical and physiological connection between maternal tissue and fetal tissue. So what is placenta means? Is a mechanical and physiological connection between maternal tissue and fetal tissue. That means fetus is connected to maternal tissue with the help of placenta. Placenta is formed by two parts. They are fetal part. It is formed by chorion or chorionic villi, and maternal part, this is formed by decidua. Decidua consists of three parts. They are decidua, basalis, decidua capsularis, decidua parietalis. Now let's see the decidua. So decidua basalis, what does it means? The part of endometrium where fetus is implanted or fixed is called decidua basalis. That means you can draw a diagrammatic representation. So for example, this is fetus So decidua basalis, the part where the decidua basalis, this is a fetus, is connected with the wall of uterine called endometrium. Endometrium. The help of finger-like projection. The fetus is connected to wall of uterus called endometrium through finger-like projections. The finger-like projections called chorionic villi. Chorionic villi. And this chorionic villi plays in the part of endometrial part. This we can call it as, this zone you can call it as decidua basalis. And the decidua basalis part of endometrium, and this endometrium part is extended around the fetus. This part we can call it as decidua capsularis, and a place where the endometrium is not connected, is not contact, this part we can call it as decidua parietalis. So decidua has three parts. This part is called basalis, decidua basalis, and extended part of decidua basalis, chorionic villi area, that is called it as decidua capsularis. And the endometrium is not connected part of this fetus is called it as decidua parietalis. Now decidua basalis is the main maternal part of placenta. So another one is decidua capsularis. The endometrium extend part around the fetus called decidua capsularis, and decidua parietalis, the part of endometrium, which is not contact, the part of endometrium which is not contact with chorion, villi is called decidua parietalis. So this is decidua capsularis, decidua capsularis, and decidua parietalis. Now, the fetus, another important point, fetus is connected to placenta by umbilical cord. The umbilical cord is about 12 to 24 inches long. 12 to 24 inches long means this is fetus, you think. This is connection, placenta, and this is umbilical cord. So fetus is connected to placenta, called placenta. Fetus, umbilical cord. So fetus is connected to placenta by umbilical cord. Its length about umbilical cord is length about 12 to 24 inches. Umbilical cord consists of 3 blood vessels, connected with 3 blood vessels. They are 2 arteries called umbilical arteries, and 1 vein, one umbilical vein. So 2 arteries and 1 vein, togetherly 3. The umbilical arteries carries deoxygenated blood from so umbilical artery carries deoxygenated blood from fetus to placenta. Fetus to placenta. Whereas, so in between these blood vessels, a gelatinous substance or jelly is called Wharton's jelly. A Wharton's jelly provides insulation and protection. Protection within the umbilical cords. So Patanjali provides insulation and protection. Insulation and protection within the umbilical cords. So this is the diagram. These two are umbilical arteries, two umbilical arteries and one umbilical vein. So total 3 blood vessels. In between these blood vessels there is gelatinous substance called Wharton's jelly. The Wharton jelly, as we said, the function also. Now placenta. Placenta begins to develop implantation of blastocyst, that is from 8th day of pregnancy. A fully formed placenta at the age of 11 or 12 weeks of pregnancy. A fully developed placenta weight about 500 grams. 500 grams. Let's see the functions of placenta. So far we discussed the structure of placenta, what is placenta, how it is formed, what are the parts, and all we discussed, and what are the arteries and what are the veins, that all we then wait, and the developing, the begins from where and completed, fully developed in which age of pregnancy, that all we discussed. Now let us see the functions of placenta. So what does it do? The placenta helps in transport of nutrients from mother to fetus, and also transport of respiratory gases, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Placenta secretes certain hormones called Progesterone is a steroid hormone. Estrogen, also a steroid hormone. Progesterone, estrogen, and HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophin. HCl, human placental lactogen. HCT stands for human chorionic thyrotrophin. Another hormone called HCC, called human chorionic corticotrophin, and also releases relaxin hormone. These are the hormones which are secreted by the placenta. In addition, this placenta is act as a barrier for protective function. Protective function, that is, so it acts as a barrier, that means protective functions, mean transport of drugs such as AIDS, nicotine, cocaine, heroin, thalidomide. And these drugs transporting these chemical substances called teratogens. So another important function of placenta is provides passive immunity, that is immunoglobulin G, IgG. And another important point is placenta helps in removal of nitrogenous waste materials from the fetus. So these are the functions of placenta. Till now we discussed structure of placenta. In the next video we will discuss types of placenta. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.